Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get second WoW account, or you can say how to create second WoW account. So all the steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Go to the battle.net account page. If necessary, log into your battle.net account. In the left-hand menu, click Games and Subscriptions. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the Starter Editions and Public Test Regions box, click the blue plus Create Starter Account text. Use the drop-down to select your region and then click the blue Create Account button. To upgrade your new starter account to a full account, return to the Games and Subscriptions page. Then, click the blue Add a Subscription text next to the new account's name. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily create your second WoW account. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.